Women-led development a game changer haibe hiramda thas ki tang taraga mapan fauba chathagadaba National Conference amak Kanchipurda laiba Manipur University gi court hall da hawdokre. Research and Information System for Developing Countries RIS Committee ang makada Manipur University gi Center for Myanmar Studies amasung Philosophy Department na senduna conference asi pangthokpane. Conference hawdokpagi thauramda thoiba muthung lenoi kiba University asigi VC Professor Naurem Lokendrana chawkhat thaurangi wafam khanarakpada nupi singi leiriba issue gi matangda khanaba haiba sishu yamna maru oiba agenda ama oire. Masina maram oiraga tongan ba academic amasung political forum kayada hiram asigi matangda wafam kaya pukhatnarakle. Conference asina nupi singda social, cultural, psychological gi leiriba pal adu lanthokpa ngamba machak amamam purakpa oisano haike. Conference asida akhang haikayana women-led development a game changer haiba hiramda paper pathok pagaloinana khananai nagadawri.
In modern social setting, many women lead the way in various fields such as food industry, sports, healthcare and many more. There are still challenges which have arisen out of our own traditional, inadequate training and low digital literacy. There are also various social, cultural and psychological barriers. The conference may throw light on the mechanism for overcoming these barriers.